Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a simple Node.js backend application. We are going to create a user login form. The user will sign up based on the username and user email and the password. And user will get the username based on the user email. Let's begin. Open the terminal and create a folder. I am going to name the folder as server. Go into the folder. After getting the folder, initialize the package.json file. Once you initialize the package.json file, get in the Visual Studio Code. Once you enter the Visual Studio Code, create a file called index.js. Before starting writing the code, we have to install the Express module. Once the Express module is installed, initialize the Express module. Using recur, you can initialize the Express and create a variable called app and initialize the Express. Once you initialize the Express, when all the data are passed based on the JSON format, so we are going to use the middleware called express.json. After after passing the express.json middleware, we are going to create two routes. One is for getting the username and other for posting the user details. I am going to name the get routers login. I am going to pass to request and response. Similar way, we are going to create a post route. I am now naming it as sign up. In this also, I am going to pass request and response. I am going to maintain a array called user data and store the user information in it. First, I am going to write a code for the post request const. In this, I am get the data from the username, email, and the password. I am going to save the data in the user data variable using the email address. The key will be a email address. User data of email equal to username comma email comma password. All these data are set in the user data variable and the key should be a email. I am going to send the response to the front end. Successfully signed in message will be displayed in the front end. For get request, we are going to get the user email from the user. Once I get the email from the user, I am going to check whether the user email is present in the data in the const variable user data variable or not. Create a variable called const data and pass the email to the user data and check whether the email is present or not, and send the response to the front end. I am going to send the response user with the username to the front end. After creating the both the route, we are going to expose the port to the port 3000 app.listen. It lets the backend Express application to be listen on the port 3000. Once you write the code, we are going to run the server. by using the command node index.js. The server will be started. Open the Postman. Once you Postman, we are going to send the local host sign up request to post request to the backend. I am sending the username Shenin and email SheninJR and password hello. If I click the send button and the response is getting successfully signed in. After we are going to send a GET request to the login. Once I send it, the username Shenin is login successfully. The message is get from the backend. Thanks for watching this video.